We've been installing windows for a long time, 3 decades actually, and rarely have we come across an innovation that totally changes how we install the windows. And now we have not just one innovation, but 6 innovations on a single window that completely change how we install windows. The first thing I notice when I look at this window, which looks like an ordinary wood window, are these brackets all the way around the window. This is the flip and click bracket. And the purpose of this bracket is to allow us to install the window to the inside of the framing. We take the clip, slide the bracket into the receiver like this, it locks into place, and now whoever installs this window from the inside, when they slide it in, is going to be in exactly the right location. So all that monkeying around where a window's a little bit in, a little bit out, that's gone. Most importantly, with this system, we're installing from the inside. We're not carrying windows up ladders, we're not messing around on scaffolding. All of that difficult work that has traditionally taken place on the outside of the building is gone. The next thing I noticed about this window were these little metal fingers sticking up from the top of the window unit. This is called a head stabilizer. Now, normally when we install windows, there's 2 people, right? Someone's holding the window while the other person is adjusting and screwing it off. With this, it allows for one person to pick up the unit, granted they can pick it up, and set it into the opening where these engage with the wood framing above and keep the unit from tipping back out. So now one person can set, adjust the unit. It's a much simpler installation.